Hi everybody, welcome to Greg's Workshop. I'm doing a bit more on the anvil stand. I'm a bit beat. I've been playing in this top off for the last 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes just to do this bit. I'm going to finish it off soon. I want to show you what I'm doing. I've got the bolts and the chain for it. The bottom is not too bad where it's sitting at the moment. I'll turn around so you can see. Well, the top here is not too bad. The base on the bottom has got a little bit of rock. Got to take that out. It's a fair bit out. Needs to come down at the front here. A fair bit actually. Out there. 1/4 of an inch. Driving me insane. Oh. I've had nothing but trouble with the internet. I'm going to turn you back up where I'm sitting. Wind the camera up so I get a bit of height so I can show you where I'm sitting. I hope I can see to get that much in there. There we go. It's a little bit warm today. A bit muggy, but warm. I went and bought some lag bolts. Some smaller ones where the braces go around the outside. Chunk of chain, hold it on. This is the price of 4 big lag bolts and 12 small ones. And a chain, $70.04. Here we go again. Every time this happens. Yeah, so I've been working on this for 20 minutes, just planing it down, trying to get it level. Well, my chainsaw's not working at the moment. I haven't run it for about 3 years. She needs a bit of a clean out. She was drained of fuel and rinsed out, made sure it was empty. I put a new bar and new chain on it. But I'm just knocking this down slowly on this side. It's high on this side, so I've got to take it down about, I've already taken 1/4 of an inch off it. It had a cut in the top and the bottom. So I'm going down through the cut now to get rid of the excess height. Yeah, so what else? Yeah, the internet was playing up. I had a problem with my computer. It's the same problem I've had all along, and we finally found out what it was. I got a program on my computer called OneDriver Update. It's for OneDriver to update all the time. It doesn't have to be installed, which it was. Not through me, through the computer shop. And I've had nothing but trouble. Once I deleted that, Bob's your uncle. No dropouts, no nothing. And then I had, took me 3 or 4 days to find that out after we put the new internet in. Still the same email address. And then I got cut out of my YouTube channel. I got absolutely blocked off. And I took 2 days to find out why I was blocked off. Because I can't read or write, I have to go through program. I have to go through the things to find out why. Apparently it cut me off because I've got two names on my computer. Got Greg's Workshop and Greg Link over my name, which is another channel. I got 1 subscriber to that other channel. I want to stress, every time I go to buy something, I haven't got no other money than what I get. I said tomorrow's my payday, so I've got to pay my bills tomorrow. I was hoping to get the chainsaw going today and just knock the top off of that bit in the bottom. It was pretty solid. I said I want to get a colour pattern in the top router, put the design on there, cut the pattern, and put this down into the pattern about that far, and glue it in with some strong adhesive, then put the chain around. And weld some flat plates on it, and put some holes in it so I can sink these buggers in. I think they'll be long enough. These are high tensile grade. These ones are coated with a zinc coating, the gold zinc coating. High tensile again. I don't want them breaking. Yeah. It takes a while to do this. I said I do real time, and I'm going to do a little bit while I'm after I finish getting rid of my asthma. I thought I'd sit down and have a talk while I do this. I want to say thanks to all the subscribers, my 100th subscriber. You are large left bottling, mate. I got 100 now subscribers. I'm going to see if I can get someone to make me up some stickers with Greg's Workshop and Restoration on it, and my email address and all that, with a picture of the car or the bikes, what I got on my phone. But getting someone to design a sticker is really hard. I'm hopeless at designing. Or a t-shirt. I don't know who said they'd design a shirt for me, but I haven't heard nothing back. I'm not sure who it was. It was a while ago. But I'm going to turn the camera down in a minute and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm cutting this edge off back this way towards that far side, and I'm going down probably two or three mil at a time, then plane it flat. Then check it with the level. I'll just put the camera down onto the block so you can see what I'm doing. Should be able to see that pretty well. See, it's got to come, this side's got to come down. This is what I'm doing. Now I'll put the bubble level on it, see how far it's got to go now. Still a bit. It's a real pain. Getting there. Oh, I'm beat. Yeah, it takes a while to get it done. That plane that doesn't cut much is not very good. Never was. I'll probably get the grinder out with the big sanding disc on it and go through it when I get it down a bit more. Yeah, the old legs are getting weak. It's a real pain. Yeah. Got to go that way a fair bit. It's got to go down more this side, all the way around. Yeah. So, thought I'd show you what I was doing as a video. If you like, subscribe and do all that good stuff for me. I'm going to flip you back over. It's been 14 minutes anyhow. I'm going to give you half an hour and then I'm going to call it quits. I should have put it in the mill and milled it off. Holding it down would be the worst. We'll have to put some lag screws in. 3. Put some plate steel on it and bolt it down to the table. It's been that hot here. I was expecting to find cans of paint exploded in the shed, in the workshop. But thank Christ they didn't. They got a bit of buffer in between the roof and the... It was 49 outside the other day on Friday. It was 59 in here. This is 10 degrees hotter in here than it is out there. That's bloody hot. I said I heat my paint booth up to 50 degrees to dry paint for half an hour to an hour. I bake it on at about 50 degrees. I paint when it's 28 degrees. The metal has to be 28 degrees. Can't put any wet paint on cold metal. It don't like it. It causes it to go candy apple. Like candy apple, you know, where you get honey on your apple, toffee, and it goes really funny. Yeah, well, that's what the clear does. Goes like a rough edge on it. So that's the chain I bought. It's 1.3 metres long. It's high grade. And it's pretty strong. 13mm chain. 150 kgs. 1500 kgs. That's what it'll hold. So that'll be good enough to put my handle stand on with. Now I'm going to go down on this side another 1/4 of an inch and see what I can do. Move it over a bit and then drop it down. Drop it down, drop it down. It's getting there, slowly. When I can run the plane across and touch the bark on the other side, it should be about right. And sit the level on it, it should be right. I hope. Well, this video's gone for about 15-20 minutes now. I'm going to have to say, if you liked what I showed you, please leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, or give me a thumbs down, or even a bad comment. I'd sooner have nothing, something than nothing. I've had a lot of videos that gone right up into 130 views, and I got 3 likes. Come on, people. I kind of give everybody a like that I watch. I give them a thumbs up and a like. Just the like button, hit the like button. I don't subscribe because I've got too many I've got to subscribe to now. I've got 113 or 135 or something. It takes it out of you. Like, subscribe, go and watch my channel. Go back and watch some of the videos that haven't been looked at from the start of repairing this workshop to from putting the concrete well mesh in and concrete floor, painting it, putting everything back in it and doing it up a bit. But I kind of haven't got the back done yet. I'm still sitting on chiseling concrete. I haven't got it done. It takes too much work to do for me. Anyhow, I'm going to turn it off, and like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you.